Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the position of a picture in a Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, I'm going to bring a picture in my Word document that I have already opened. So to do so, I'm going to click on the image and click on the picture, and I'm going to bring this from my own local drive. So choose this device, and then this is my picture that I'm going to insert into my Word document. So this picture has successfully been transported to my Word document. So now what I do is look at this text. Okay, these texts are something that is now below the image. But what if I want this text to be around this picture, like on the right side? Okay, so there's a way of doing it. Okay, so click on the picture. You can use this little icon, but you can also use, if you go to the picture format, once you click on this image, you can go to choose this picture format and then wrap text. Okay, so you can click on the wrap text, and there's a different position that you can put your image around the text. So I'm going to choose this tight position. This is called tight. So choose this, and then these texts are now just wrapped around this image. Okay, so this is how you bring this text just around this image. So now the question is, what if you want to move this image at the top left corner of the page, or on the middle of the top page, at page one, or on the right side of the top of the page, so or in at the bottom? How can you move the positions of this image? So there's a way of doing this. So let me show you. Click on the image and go to position. So as you can see, this icon, the picture icon is just put in the middle, right? So now you can you can change it with text wrapping. So if you click on this, then this picture now is brought up at the top left corner. And this is for the middle on the top of the page, and this is for the top right corner. And the similar way, you can take it to the bottom, left, right, in the middle, and also in the middle of the page. So this is how you change the image of this page. So I'm not going to click it just for the demonstration. I have shown you how to change the position of the text. Now the question is, let's say I'm gonna need a banner to be posted on the margin area of my Word document, this area. So how do you do that? So in order to do that, I'm gonna bring a picture from online. Okay, so go to online pictures and search banner. So let's say I need a banner. Okay, so I'm searching for the banner. So I'm gonna like this one and insert it. So, and you can resize this banner. So I'm going to resize it, and then I'm going to increase in this side. But if you want to drag it to here, it's not moving at all. Okay, that's the problem you will have. Okay, in order to try to move this, but there's a way of doing this. So click on this picture and go to wrap text. I think it's not correctly selected. If you go to wrap text now, yeah, it's selected, and then go to wrap text, and you will find an option called in front of text. So if you choose this option, click on it. If you choose this option, now you can drag it anywhere you want. So I'm going to drag it to the margin area, okay, as a banner, a background or banner in this document. Okay, now I put it here and click outside this. So now I have added a wonderful banner at the margin area of this Word document. So this is how you change the position of the picture, and you position the text around the picture. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you find my tutorials helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.